Hi guys, in today's video I share exact equipment that I use to get my detail photos, and by detail photos I mean the jewelry, the shoes, all the pretty shiny things in the morning while the bride is getting ready. Hi guys, my name is Yana Shellman and I am a wedding photographer in New Jersey and Philadelphia area. And as I mentioned in today's video, I will be sharing with you what equipment I use to get all the beautiful ring photos, jewelry photos, and I'll tell you a little bit of my thought process. I am shooting two bodies and these are Canon 5D Mark IIIs. Both of them are 5D Mark IIIs. And for my detail photos, I use lens that is Canon 35mm and it 1.4, so the aperture, the lowest aperture possible is 1.4. I use this lens for all of the wider photos and all of the bigger groupings, and then photos that will be slightly further away, not like super zoomed in on the photos. And I think this lens allows me to get beautiful layouts and even individual items if they're slightly larger, like a necklace or a bouquet or shoes. I will use this lens first to get the wide photo, and then I will go in with my macro lens extension. I do not own a macro lens because currently at my career I don't think I can justify the cost of the lens versus how many photos I'm shooting it with. For my detail photos, I do not expect that I will use 100mm because I think that would be what I would use for a macro lens. It would be 100mm lens. I would not be using it for portraits, which is another option to use it for. Because of the way I work with my clients, I need to be closer to them. So my current solution is that I use an extension tube, which is Canon extension tube EF25 and then number 2. I'm going to link up all of these in the description of the video so that if you are Canon and if you want to see the options, you can easily find them, because depending on the width of the opening, these things are slightly different. So this is what I was advised to get, and it works so well for me. I love the setup. So I use this on my 5D Mark III and this extension tube with a 50mm lens. I will show you. Will I be able to show you? So I basically open up the tube and then I just attach the extension to the camera and my 50mm lens. This is 50mm 1.4, and here you go. And now I have my macro lens basically, and with this lens I get all of the close-ups of basically everything that I'm photographing. I always get the wide photo first, or the other way around, doesn't matter. I always get each item with each lens. I will get a wide photo of the shoes and I will get a close-up details of whatever beading or lace, whatever, the heel, whatever would be on the shoe. The same thing for the rings. I will get the ring photos, the macro of all of the photos that I think will work for the rings, and then I will also get a wide photo of the same ring, of the same setup, both vertical and horizontal, again for variety of reasons, for the reasons that it will be easy for me to use in the album design or blog post design. And then for basically, yes, as I mentioned, for everything, the jewelry, the flowers, I will always get a wide photo and then some close-ups with a macro extension tube. I hope this was helpful to you. Let me know what you are using for your macro photos. I would love to know this. Or if you're using different set of equipment for your detail photos, I would like to know. Maybe I should consider that as well. However, currently I'm very happy with the efficiency and variety with the photos that I get with these two lenses. and I might consider something else, but for now it works really well for me. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any other questions, please leave me a comment below this video or message me on social media, and I would love to tackle your question. Have a wonderful day, you guys. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye bye.